Hi guys, I'm gonna show you my squishy. First is my cheese. This is DIY cheese, and it's so big and satisfying. Look, it's so satisfying. And next is my cotton and like a plastic wrap like that. And next is my nice cube. Look, it's glitter, but it's so hard. Look, my hand is and my dimple. And next is my fidget spinner toys. And there's like next is my slime. It's so satisfying. Look, like stretchy, soft, but the smell is stinky. And next is my clicking toys. Look, it's just a one. I don't have many. And bye guys. And here's my correction.